Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Paula and this is my humble little corner of the internet, and here we do everything beauty, skincare, hair, makeup, hauls, fashion, you name it. If it is the kind of channel you like to watch, I invite you to subscribe and stay. Join the family. I'd like to say thank you so much for my returning supporters. Appreciate you guys a bunch. Thank you. So today's video is going to be another review try on from a new jewelry brand. I have 4-piece here from U7 high quality fashion jewelry. So get excited because they have so many beautiful jewelry and I kind of like the concept of the jewelry. So the U7 name came from you and 7 for 7 days of the week that you deserve love and to be loved. And the best way to show that is to giving a jewelry or getting one for yourself. Right? There's nothing wrong with giving yourself some love. So I have 4 pieces here that I'm going to show you guys. So I'm super excited. And I'm going to have the link for U7 down in the description of this video if you guys decide to give it a try. They have so many beautiful affordable jewelry that you guys gonna be stunned. So I'm talking to them much. Let's jump right into this video so this video don't get so long, and I'm gonna start with the first piece that I'm gonna show you guys. It's going to be, so first I'll show you the packaging. That's super pretty. It comes in a little plastic, and then you have a little cloth bag for putting your jewelry in, which is nice. You know, if you're wearing like sterling silver jewelry, you have to make the habit of using them, and after you go out or you done using, take them out, put in a little cloth bag and store them away, because if you keep using them all the time, you know, you're just going to wear them out fast. But they can stay looking beautiful for a long time if you know how to take care of them. Try to don't shower with them. You can, but I try not to, so they stay shiny and looking pretty longer. So the first pieces we have here is this beautiful ring. So let's see. Oh my gosh, it is so beautiful. It's a little tight on my ring finger, but the good thing is it's open, so you can like change change position. Let's try like this. Okay, that's what the ring look like. So you have one stone on the side here, and then you have this beautiful like stone butterfly, super pretty, and it is it's a super beautiful ring, very well made. Yeah, so we like this. So it's open the top, so if it's a little tight, you can open up. Alright, so this is the first piece, but it's super beautiful. I'm super happy with. And when I be editing the video, I'm gonna put the name of each piece here, or if they have like a model number. Alright, so if you guys decide to give it a try, or I can put also in the description of the video the name and the model number for each piece. But this butterfly is super pretty. Alright, so this was the first piece. Let me put this back so it stay looking pretty. So the next one that we're gonna try here is this ring set. The same situation. You got the rings in a little bag, and then you have here a cloth bag for storing rings. So this is like a, I believe it's like a ring set. So you know, if you like to stack up rings or just fill up your fingers with rings, I like that. Oh, this is a beautiful star. I'm gonna show you close so you can see better. They're stunning. I'm loving every one, each one of them that I put on. I love this. Left, and this set come with 6 rings. And if I'm not mistaken, this one also comes in like the silver shade. Look at this. So I'm gonna zoom to the rings. Look how beautiful they look. Look how gorgeous. So you have this one here is the star, some little look like a tiny diamonds on it. Then you have this one here that look like a chain, that it is open. The chain one is open underneath. I have this tiny one here that's also no, it's not open, but they're beautiful. And then you have this one here that's a little princess crown that's stunning. You have this one here that also have a little like stone details on it. That's so pretty. Then you have this one here that look like a flash wrapped around, but they are really very beautiful. Love them. They are stunning. So if you guys have any question about the jewelry, I'm going to have it in the description of this video. So now that we have our rings on, the next piece that we're going to be trying here, this is definitely a necklace, a chain. So let me see if I can put it close this, but it's gorgeous. I'll show you guys, it's really beautiful. And I think I got these for layer with another necklace. So put my hair back and let me try to close this. Look like it's easy to close. As you guys know, with nails, it's not so easy to close things. Able to go out of the camera and go in the mirror and close the necklace. It's super beautiful chain, super delicate, and you definitely can see that's high quality. It's well made. Next piece, are you excited? I am. Oh my god, this is so pretty. I love this one. I remember picking this one up. It's gorgeous. I love it. I love this one. This is also a necklace. It's so beautiful. That's what the necklace look like. It's beautiful. Have some rhinestone on them and then some butterflies. So let me go put this one on and then I'll come back to show you guys how it looks on. It's so beautiful, so gorgeous. Love it. My favorite one of all of them was this. Alright, so I went out to the camera and I was able to put the necklace and it is so beautiful. So I have the two chain layers. Look how beautiful this is. So pretty. So beautiful. Really pretty. Love it. Love, love, love. Now you just need like maybe a diamond ring or a little butterfly and you ready to go. Love it. Love it. Super pretty. I definitely highly recommend it. Especially this butterfly necklace. If you're like me that likes butterfly, this is so beautiful. In person look even prettier than the camera because the camera sometimes and you don't show like the thing how as good as they are, but it is stunning. So when I be editing, I'm gonna see if I can get a couple of shots from the website with the pieces because they have like a nice high definition picture, and then I'm gonna put on the side here so you guys can see how it looks. It's stunning. Love it. So I'm gonna have the link down below for you 7 if you guys wanna check them out. Like I said, the jewelry is so high quality, so beautiful. Love it. The rings are stunning. The necklace, fabulous. Love it. The other ring also is pretty, so love it. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know in the comment down below which one of the pieces are your favorite, because my by far is the little butterfly necklace. They're so cute, so pretty. Love them. Thanks so much for watching. I see you guys next video. Bye.